It's common for major smartphone manufacturers like Samsung and Apple to test several prototypes of their upcoming flagship series before deciding which version will make it to mass production. This time, even though the Galaxy S25 Ultra has yet to be officially introduced in various markets, there are reports suggesting that Samsung is already testing a prototype of the Galaxy S26 Ultra with an innovative, full-screen design, free from any visible camera. This indicates that Samsung is aiming for a true full-screen experience, similar to what is rumored for future Apple devices. While the idea of a full-screen smartphone is exciting, comparisons show that this technology should not compromise image quality. Apple, too, has tested similar technology but hasn't integrated it into any iPhone models, possibly due to the same concerns. Samsung likely has a traditional prototype of the Galaxy S26 Ultra available for testing, and it's probable this version will be the one to reach mass production, thanks to its reduced complexities. Samsung tends to introduce new technologies only after they are widely adopted to help with cost reduction, though not always the case, as seen with the 200-megapixel ISOCELL HP9 sensor, which is not used in the Galaxy S25 Ultra but sold to other manufacturers. As there isn't much confirmed information available yet, readers should take these details with a pinch of salt. Nonetheless, the most notable product showcased at Samsung's recent unveiling event was the Galaxy S25 Ultra, featuring a refreshed design. Fans anticipated significant camera improvements, but the only upgrade was a 50-megapixel ultrawide lens. Rumors about the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra have already started circulating online. According to a well-known Chinese tipster, digital chat station, the Galaxy S26 Ultra might receive a substantial camera upgrade, including a new 200-megapixel periscope telephoto sensor, similar to the one used in the Vivo X200 Pro. Samsung's S-series Ultra smartphones are known for their powerful zoom capabilities, and this upgrade would be a valuable addition. In addition to the camera enhancements, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is also expected to feature a silicon-carbon battery, which has been used in other recent flagship smartphones like the OnePlus 13 and Vivo X200. There might also be changes in the naming convention of the Galaxy S26 series. The S26 Ultra could be rebranded as the S26 Note, the Plus version as the S26 Pro, and the standard model will remain the Galaxy S26. Here are 5 improvements we hope to see in the Galaxy S26 Ultra. More vivid color options. Flagship phones should cater to a wide range of buyers, and Samsung's current color choices for the S25 Ultra are quite similar. We hope to see bolder, more imaginative colors in the next model, such as deep purples, greens, or even gradients from vivid to subtle. Enhanced S Pen. The S Pen is a unique feature that sets Samsung's Ultra series apart. Instead of removing features like Bluetooth, Samsung should invest in expanding the S Pen's capabilities, such as adding gesture controls, 3D painting, and cross-device integration. Silicon-carbon SECI battery. Silicon-carbon batteries promise greater energy storage, faster charging, and longer lifespans. Samsung's adoption of this technology for the S26 Ultra would be a significant upgrade. Improved durability. The S25 Ultra already boasts impressive durability with its titanium shell and Gorilla Glass armor display. The S26 Ultra should continue this trend, making it one of the most robust smartphones on the market. Advanced AI features. While AI feels gimmicky now, future developments could make it a valuable tool. Samsung should focus on practical AI applications that enhance user experience. These are some of the changes we hope to see in the upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra. Stay tuned for more updates and leaks as we get closer to the official launch.